Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on J of All Trades. Today, I want to show you guys how to install one of these door stoppers on a wall right behind me here. And the reason why I'm installing this guy here is because this door that's right in front of me, it just keeps hitting the wall. And the handle itself makes an actual hole in the wall. So before I installed the shiplap, I had sheetrock. And on the sheetrock, you saw an indentation of the door handle there. So to avoid that happening to my nice fresh shiplap here behind me, I'm going to be installing this right on the wall behind me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door all the way almost to where it gets to the wall. And then I'll take this door stopper, hold it in place in the position where I want the door to engage the door stopper. So right here seems like a really good spot. You don't want it to be too high because it'll first look a little bit ugly, and you want it to be able to just engage the bottom of the door so you can keep it as low as possible. Then you're going to press firmly until that door stopper makes a little indentation there on the wall. Now you're going to take the door back to the closed position, and we're going to move this off the wall. Now we have a mark right there, that little indentation where we're going to install the door stopper. Next, we're going to take that door stopper that we just moved and just slightly tap on it. And then we're going to start turning it. And we're going to keep turning it by hand until it gets a little tougher. Eventually, it's going to get a little tougher to turn, and that's where we're going to switch over to an adjustable wrench. So right there, it's starting to get really tough. So it's definitely not going to go by hand anymore. Now I'm going to grab a wrench. Now, once this is flush up against the wall, you could just snug it up a little bit more, but you don't want to go too crazy. And that's it. We're all set, and our door stopper is installed. Now, as you can see, the door stopper is engaging the door, and the handle is not touching that wall. Well, there you have it, guys. A nice, quick, and easy install. And you're going to save your wall. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys on the next one.